Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we got a little bit of news today. Microsoft is doing some reorganization, and one of that big reorganization actually is, I think, a positive point for Microsoft. So, Panos Panay, this guy was in charge of the hardware division. So anything that is Surface laptop, tablet, even the upcoming devices, those new foldable devices, all of that is from his actually leadership in the hardware department. Now, it's not sure, but there were some rumors that maybe he was about to leave for Apple. Non-official, but could be. You never know. Well, this guy is now, starting February the 25th of this month, going to be in charge of the Windows team. And that means that it's, I think, a good thing, because nothing like someone that actually is driving hardware that might know how to actually create a Windows 10 operating system that is functional and interesting. So that means we might see a change in a direction once again, and what we'll see in Windows 10 in the future thanks to this. So it's really interesting. And he'll be in charge now of both the hardware and the Windows team. It's going to be called the Windows and Devices team. And now that's the new leadership from this guy. I was looking at posts from experts in the industry field of Microsoft, and pretty much everybody agrees that this is possibly a pretty good move for Microsoft to have done this. So that's going to be interesting. That means Windows 10 future might be, again, a little different. You know, when you get new people, well, there's new visions and new ways of thinking. Maybe some of the things that annoy us will be fixed. Maybe not. But we'll see as 2020 goes by under the new leadership what's going to happen with Windows. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.